Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Roblox account without password or email. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we want to go to roblox.com, and we will automatically be taken to this login screen. Now what we need to do is change /login to /support, like this. And now here it's going to ask us for the date of birth. So write your date of birth associated with the Roblox account if you remember it. If you don't, it's not that bad. Just click on Continue. Now here we need to write the username for the account which we want to recover, and the first name if you have written one or added one to your Roblox account, and the email address which we have access to, or the one that was associated with our Roblox account. So after we have written this information here, obviously it's going to be personal, so I won't write it to show you. But what device are you having the problem on here? You will choose the device which you have used the most play Roblox, for example the PC, and the type of help category. This is very important once we click on this menu. We want to choose account hacked or can't log in. Now it's going to show up another menu here, and we want to select account hacked. Now description of the issue. You can use this template, but it's going to look like this. Hello, I cannot access my Roblox account. A username here. You will write the username associated with your Roblox account. As someone has changed my password and the email associated with it, I can provide further information as to where it was played from login sessions and any other info you may require. Please help me now. After you send this, they will probably get in touch with you asking for more information to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. So you will need to actually own the account to prove that it's yours. So just give them the information that they require. Click on Continue here to send the email. Check your email address which you have put right here. And then once they get in touch with you, they will explain whether they can help you or not with this issue. So that's basically how you can recover a hacked Roblox account without password or email. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.